Hi, honey. Here's our October snowfall, our October blizzard. It's amazing, heavy snow, but it's wet. It's making a winter wonderland out of the ranch, though, which is nice. Bonzi doesn't know what to make of it. Look at that. Lots of snow. Anyway, that's probably something that you don't see much of in Cairo, Egypt. So maybe you'll get a little bit of it when you're home for your visit. It looks like Black Cloud and Otis are hiding in their run-in shed. They're not big fans of the snow this early. They don't have their winter coat yet. So, walk out here. Got a couple of inches on the ground already in short order. There's the ranch. No Christmas lights. We should have Christmas lights with a weather like this. So there's the front of the house. Anyway, I better get my camera in out of the snow or it'll get too wet. Hope you enjoy it. Love you, honey. And we'll see you soon. Bye.